Yo, what's up, guys? This is Final Fantasy here. I haven't made a video in a pretty good while, and I've been playing some Ratchet and Clank for a pretty good while. Cracking time, by the way, not Tools of Destruction. Anyway, and I came across something real cool. Oh yeah, check out my dog Nefarious. Yeah, he's pretty awesome. Anyway, so what I want to show you was you could alter Ratchet's weapons, or should I say Nefarious's weapons. See his puny little wrench right there? Yeah, see that thing? We're gonna make that like a million times bigger, and we'll do a montage of the weapon. So what we're gonna do is, oh by the way, in order to do this, you need like a certain number of skill points. I have 445 up there doing stuff I didn't even know what to do. I think you needed 400, if I'm not mistaken, or 420. Either way, it's called Alter Arsenal. You can make it tiny, normal, big, huge, or giant. And knowing me, they go with giant. And see the loneliness. Look at that ranch now. It's bigger than him. Jesus Christ. Look at that thing. This thing's freaking huge. But you think that's... Check this out. Yeah, check out all my crap. We got here the constructor pistol. Yeah. The Doom blades. Shotgun. Judicer. And of course my favorite. The Rhino. Look at that thing. It's a monstrosity. Oh, see how he's holding it up. It's it's huge. I mean, it's not. How can he carry this thing without having to like? It's impossible. I mean, how? The thing is too. I don't even know what to say, but you're about to see it in action.